Hello guys, welcome back to my channel All in One Life. Today it's a very special video. I am sure that 99% of you don't know about this. Cisco has recently 2 or 3 weeks ago has introduced the all new Cisco WebEx meetings. The screen I am showing this Cisco WebEx meetings desktop app, you would have it now. If I am not wrong, you're having this right now. Okay, and also if you would try to update it, it would have shown that it's already in the latest version, but it's not like that. And the meeting will be same in the new also, a little bit changes only, so not worrying about that. And if you want to install the all new webex, you can see here the bottom icon. So if you want to install it, make sure you watch the whole video, like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. So let's begin. Subscribe to All in One Life channel and click the bell icon to see our latest technology videos as soon as we upload. So first, I will like to tell you that how to download the All New WebEx. So at first, you have to go to your settings and then click on apps, and the Cisco WebEx meeting like this will be installed on your PC. So uninstall this application, the one you previously downloaded. After uninstalling, you this link will be given in the description. You have to go to Cisco WebEx download and then click for download for Windows. It will automatically detect, so no need to worry about it. So I've already downloaded it in my downloads, as you can see, WebEx Teams. So I will not download it again. Now let me show you the setup. So after you have downloaded the new WebEx from the link given in the description, or by on Google you will download it. So after downloading it, you will come across this interface. So at first you have to enter your email address. After entering email address, it will actually require for a verification which a code will be sent on your email address. I have already done it, so you don't need to do that. Let me enter the password. Welcome to WebEx. It's nice to meet you. Wow. So now you can see everything. What's new? WebEx team is now all the new WebEx. This was the point I was trying to explain, that the Cisco WebEx meeting, that desktop app I shown you, that old one, delete that because that has already come inside this. Not only that, everything else like calling feature, chatting feature, uh, Gmail feature also, you can view participants' email address. That too feature has been introduced. Not only that, the second point, as you can see, we can have a new color for them. This theme which you can see, purple color, I have set it, and I am showing you more features, more in-depth features, and nothing more. The main points was these two only. So first of all, let me show you that how to apply theme. So this you can do according to your settings. Appearance, as you can see here, appearance, I have done lavender. Like if you want to change to bronze, if you apply the bronze, it will restart the webex like this, and a bronze color appearance will be appear. Now the main thing is, first let me tell you, you would be wondering that how to join the meeting first. So a very simple interface. The on the on the top left corner, you can see the meetings icon. You can only click there, join a meeting, enter the meeting information, and you are good to go. Like this, you can start a meeting also, you can schedule a meeting also, and you can also chat here. For chatting, the other person should also have this interface. So if you want to invite him or her to chat, you can send a plus icon, you can create a group, create a space, or add a contact, make a call, or send a direct message. To send a direct message, you can not by name but email address. Like if I want to invite anyone, I can invite this at the rate gmail.com and then invite to WebEx. So this you can do for using the chatting purpose for means, and this chatting is not in inside the meeting in call chat. This is the outside call chat, means this is visible only to you and to whom you are chatting, and means understanding now. Then let we discuss about teams. So this is nothing. Teams, you can create a team, means you can create a group of persons and you can invite to the team. Third one is contacts. Contacts I didn't use it much and it's not so useful, so we can skip this. Calling feature is really nice. You can call from here also. Stop the video. And as you can see, it's the normal interface, nothing new in this. So nothing is new in the meeting. You can, I'm telling this, you can from here you can directly call someone. Call means in the sense you can join a meeting, but audio one, not the video one. Video one is specific and audio one is specific. And this, however, I told you, start a meeting, join a meeting, schedule a meeting, anything like that. Now there is one more super feature. Here you can see that a screen share option is being introduced. Screen share option means not in the meeting screen share, like the friend you added, and this can continue in the meeting also. If you're ongoing a meeting, then also you can screen share. You can screen share one, and then he or she will receive a request on the bottom right side to accept that. Can he, like, see, waiting for D39 Sitanshu Bhati to accept. So if he or she accepts the screen share during a call, during a WebEx meeting, you can screen share your computer. So this was a nice feature. And now I am telling about the super exclusive, super excellent, awesome feature which was never introduced before. Let me tell you what is that feature. I told you before, I think, that you can see people's Gmail address, those who are in the meeting. So let us see if it works or not. Let me join a meeting. After joining a meeting, let me tell you how to see email address. I have successfully joined. I have successfully joined the meeting. Okay. Now I want to see this host's email address. So what I have to do is go to WebEx, go to this chat option. Okay. And see, you can see the people icon here. You can see that gmail.com, and then just click on the icon. You can see the email address. So this was a super exclusive feature which WebEx has introduced, and for this feature, please do like the video.